Hi, in this video we are going to show you um, how to fix or change Fiat Doblo oil pressure switch. Also, you will see in this video how my oldest son is learning to do it together with his father. Well, years ago we decided not to depend on garages or other people to fix our cars, so we decided to learn it ourselves. And everything we do and what you see in the video is a learning process as well as a teaching process to our children. So enjoy, and hopefully you can take something out of it. And if you see we are doing something wrong or you think you could give us advice, please feel free to do so below in the comments. Enjoy!
This is Fiat Doblo
2006.
2006. Switch. Switch is here. There. We are screwing those through
What is that?
screws for cable harness.
Okay.
I think it's harness. I'm not. This is for injector.
Injector plugs.
No, don't force. You need to unscrew all those three screws. I don't know.
What were the signs that made you think it's faulty?
We can't reset the oil service light. It's blinking. Now it's easier to access to the here needs different too.
Wow, it came loose.
This is the two
Universal, yeah, it's
So the gasket is
this is as suspected, probably faulty.
maybe somebody knows mechanics why we can't reset. Maybe it's not the issue. Maybe it's not the issue. All clean from everything. Screw it in.
It looks like it's gone. We'll see now. It's gone. So as you saw in this video, we managed to fix the oil pressure, no, not oil pressure, but oil service light, but it worked on only for 10 minutes and we are back to good old oil service light and it's still on, so we don't really know what is wrong. So hopefully you enjoyed the video, even though there was nothing much to learn from. Maybe you know something that what is wrong with it and maybe you could let us know. Thank you and see you next time. Bye.